So I've just been told that there's another new update on the software, I believe, but also the app. So we're just going to do a quick check. I got my controller already charged and my drone. What I'm going to do first, I'm not going to turn on the drone just yet. I'm going to go straight into the controller first and to see if both need doing or just the controller. But I have heard that it's the app. Now it's also that there's a new drone coming out, the Avatar, in the next couple of days. So what we're going to do, we're going to go straight into the drone itself, camera view, and we'll just check, also making sure that I've turned on the internet, which I haven't. So internet's on, that's good. I'll just go into about, and we'll just check for updates. And I also believe that the app might need updating as well. So new firmware to update. So we'll do that. Now if you notice there, I did go for it a few times then. So that's the new update, firmware update. So I'll just make a note of that. Nearly done. It's taking longer than I thought, that's for sure. So firmware update successful, restart aircraft power off automatically. Okay, so tick that, done that. Return back on the drone. As you can see at the top there, it's firmware update successful. I'm not, obviously here in Spain it's near midnight, so I'm not going to go out and fly the drone now. So I will test fly the drone tomorrow, but I'm going to put the video up straight away. Just give you guys to make sure everything's fine. What I will do, I'll just go into just check new update and see also if they've done the app as well. Now the app version is 1.69 still, so everything's done. Right, so turn everything off. Okay, another thing you've got to remember, guys, if you've got batteries, you will need to update your batteries. Something that they don't really tell you. So always update your batteries as well, so they're up to date. As you can see there, we've got 73% there already. So everything's done. I will turn on the drone just to make sure everything's working fine. Okay, so everything's done. Battery firmware successful. Okay, so I can just go fly. So already I'll charge up this battery will be charging tonight, and then I'll update this battery as well. So all my 3 batteries are updated then. So just remember that, guys. I'll say it again. Because you got a firmware update, you don't just do one battery, you do all the batteries that you have, so you get no problems. So turn it all off. Get this video up as soon as I can.